Hi everyone, Dennis Foley from Acoustic Fields. This is going to be a little fun thing that happened the other day. I thought I'd do a video about it and talk to you about it. So, speakers are for the birds. It's going to mean a couple of different things. Speakers are the weakest link in the electronic chain of music reproduction, bar none. Amplifiers have come a long way. Digital processing has come a long way. Speakers, not so much. Okay, there's lots of attempts in the digital domain to tame this analog creature. I get it. But it's really hard to get a lot of speakers in a cabinet to sound like one. And really, that's what you're doing. My hat's off to you guys out there designing them, because I wouldn't even know where to begin with it. It's hard enough dealing with frequency bands in small rooms, let alone in a small box like a speaker. So hats off to you guys. You're doing a good job. Keep up. We got a long way to go, though. I have never yet heard a speaker that I really enjoy that really disappears. I know there's a lot of variables and stuff that go with it, but bottom line is you're getting better. They're getting better, but we need to keep going, okay? I want to talk a little bit about a situation that happened the other day because it's kind of funny. And I think it makes sense and it's applicable to a lot of the situations. I get a lot of room calls from people, on the room forms that we submit. And that's a problem-solution paradigm. When you send me the information, the pictures, the data, the dimensions, the usage, all of that, it's problem, solution. And then we show you the solution. Now, the main thing for the solution is to have the website up and running. I can't tell you how many hours each day I waste waiting for people to connect to the internet and have the website up running. So if you're filling out the room form, you've scheduled an appointment, because we get 15 or 20 a day appointments, make sure you have the website up and running, okay? Saves a lot of time, saves me a lot of time, and saves the other people that day a lot of time, okay? So I'm sitting in my new studio and I'm looking out the window in the office area, not in the room area, in the office area, and I see a mom and papa bird building a nest, okay? So it's kind of interesting because the mama bird, she stands at the front of the nest with her wings folded, okay? And what does the papa bird do? He flies out into the wild and grabs a twig. And he'll come back and he'll bring that twig and she'll start looking at it, the mama bird. And she will accept or reject that twig. If she accepts it, she grabs the twig from him, turns around and puts it in the nest. If she rejects it, she just grabs it and throws it out of the nest, and of course it falls to the ground. The reaction of the male bird is very similar to the reaction I see sometimes on calls. Now, I can't visualize it because we're just on the phone, but I can kind of imagine. The male bird, when she tosses the twig out of the nest, he looks left, he looks right, and then he looks at her, and then he flies away, okay? In search of another twig, obviously, because she's rejected that. I don't know what her criteria is. I couldn't watch long enough to figure it out. But it kind of reminded me of what audiophiles go through. The male bird, he wants to bring twigs back to the nest, speakers, amplifiers, things like that. And the mama bird may or may not let those twigs in. I can't tell you how many times people want me to talk to their wives about what we've proposed for the problem-solution paradigm on the website. So, which I won't do. I'm not a family counselor. I'm not a psychiatrist. I'm an engineer, and I'm going to solve your acoustic problems. The other problems in your life you can handle on your own. Okay? So the audiophile issue is kind of the same as the papa bird. You got to figure out a way to get those twigs accepted by the mama bird. And the only real way to do that, to make everybody happy, is a dedicated listening room. If you're really serious about sound, you've been listening to sound 20, 30. I talked to a guy the other day. He's been listening to two-channel audio even longer than I have. He was 80, and he's been at it 65 years. So my hat's off to Bill. You did a great job, and we fixed your room up really nice. But this discipline of ours, listening to music from two channels, it can be a really great thing in today's crazy world. So it's all imperative that you have your own room. So really try to get a room that you can use, because the things that we have to do to the room to make it sound good, we have high resolution gear and our rooms are low resolution. So we have to do a lot to the room to raise the resolution. We have to lower the noise floor. We have to lower the reverberation rate. We have to manage time signatures of reflections. We have to lower pressure, modal issues throughout the room. So the bottom line here is we got a lot of work to do, and we need a dedicated room to do that. So really strive for this situation, and hopefully you'll not have the same reaction as the male bird did outside my office. So hope this helps. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please give us a thumbs up. We also have a newsletter that you can subscribe to, so please do that, because we offer special price discounts to only those on our newsletter. And then don't forget about our forum. We have started a forum on our own website where people ask questions, and I usually get a chance every couple of days to look at it. There's an interchange between people on the forum, and we'll give you real answers on a regular basis, so that'll help you. Thank you.